Okay, I'm back. Okay, what I'm doing is I've got these felt underlay for my boots, and I'm using the old glue gun. We're gluing them together. It's and I'm just at this stage. It's the first row I'm putting in, so it's just nice and loose, eh? Here we go. We just do a nice little line. There's a nice plump little thing. Okay, so that's nice and glued. This isn't my belly really, it's just my bad posture. Alright, so we just want to blob it there, just fast and hard. You're not trying to make anybody happy, you're just trying to get it glued. Over here, same sort of thing, just blob the love. I'm going to dry this out and then I'm going to cut it, and then I'm going to glue little patches on it. Okay, so I got it cut out. What I want to do is just put a little piece there. I'll cut it, and then just glue it right there. So what I do is blob it across there, right? You know, the loving. Give it some loving. Try not to burn my fingers. Alright, and over here, give it some loving. And then, ow! You know, if you got to do something, you got to do it like you're falling in love. You just got to give it all.